So, if you ever want to rule the world, I'm going to tell you right now how to rule the world. Get yourself some John James size 9 gold and glide applique needles, and then get yourself a silicide skein. How will that help you rule the world? I don't quite know. You probably also need a thermonuclear device. A small tactical one will do. But with these two things, sewing is, it's a dream. It's a pleasure. It's like being kissed by an angel. These beautiful needles and this beautiful silicide. Silicide. I've had silicide before. I was just kind of used it for beading. I did not realize how amazing silicide is for sewing. I used to use silk thread. Forget it. Forget it. Never again. Well, maybe someday I might use silk thread, but this stuff is tough. It doesn't break. It doesn't snap. Pain in the ass to thread, but that's okay. Oh, man. So, you want to rule the world? Get yourself some of this and get you some of these. John James Gold and Glide Applique Needles. Oh, love them. Love them!
Subscribe, 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 subscribe.